Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of How to Guide. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix if your TikTok shop is not showing. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Before going into the solutions, let's first know about what can cause the problem. First and very common reason is that TikTok shop might not be available into your region. Yes, TikTok shop is not a global feature. If it's not available into your region, you cannot find the TikTok shop into your TikTok. All you can do is to wait for the feature to launch into your country. And the second reason might be the requirements that you haven't fulfilled yet. In this scenario, you just simply have to tap into this creator tools and into here. If the feature of shop will be available into your region, you can find it here, and then after going into there, you can see all of the requirements that needs to fulfill in order to get the shop into your TikTok. In this scenario, TikTok shop requires you to have 1000 followers and you must have to be older than 18-year-olds. The TikTok shop is not available into my region, so it's not showing into mine. These two reasons might be the issue that you can't find shop into your TikTok. I hope now you understand what you have to do. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.